Hello, welcome to another Flowarts tutorial. Today I'll be covering some basic variations of the Triquetra. So first off, what is a Triquetra? A Triquetra is going to look like this, more or less a 3-petal flower. And then the two variations I'm going to teach you are a Triquetra with a full circle, and then another move that combines a Triquetra and a pendulum, which is often called Tick-Tock, is this. Oh, that one wasn't very clean. There we go. So let's get started. To begin, you're going to want to, of course, learn the basic Triquetra, of course. And the basic Triquetra is going to look like this. What it is you start in wall plane. You follow the momentum of your poi over to the left side, at least for me. And then when it comes up, you're going to want to go up to the top and go back to where you begin. So it's left, top, right, top, right, right. So it's a move that you're going to need to practice a lot for these upcoming two variations. But it's a pretty basic one, so just make sure your planes are pretty clean when you do it. And then the next move we're going to move on to is going to be the Triquetra with full circle. Before doing this, you should already know how to do split time butterflies, as well as probably have a pretty good time just being able to create circles with your body and your poi, and generally having clean planes with the Triquetra. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to begin in split time butterfly. And in all these cases, I'm going to go off to my left. But what I'm doing when I go off to the left is, so my left hand is going to end up being the full circle. So when that goes out, it's just going to go and make full circles. And then with my right, I'm going to go off to the left side of the Triquetra and just start doing the Triquetra. And so when you do this, you should have your left arm coming over your right arm. And if you're reversing that, you're going to have your right arm over your left. So the arm that's doing the full circle is going to be going over top of the hand that's going to be doing the Triquetra. So keep that in mind. So that's just going to require a lot of practice, but it's a pretty basic move. And once you've gotten that, you can move on to Tick-Tock. So Tick-Tock is going to require that you know pendulums already. And if you don't already, it's a pretty basic move. It's just creating a pendulum on top, followed with just a spinning poi at the bottom. What you're going to need for this is you're just going to need the top. You don't need the bottom motion. So what you're going to do is going again into split time butterflies. You're going to again go off to the left or right, depending on your preference. And so this time, your left hand is going to go off and do a pendulum. And it's slightly different than the pendulum before because you're going to move it up and down with your other hand to follow the Triquetra. And what this will allow you to do is end up getting the poi so that at certain points they will sort of be in one single line, creating a nice pattern. So again, left is going off to do the pendulum, and the right is doing the same exact Triquetra motion that we were doing before. So once you've gotten that, it's all good. And to just talk about exactly where your hands are, your left hand, or the hand that's doing the pendulum, is going to be either sort of separate from your hand doing the Triquetra, or it's going to be right next to it. If you want to make it cleaner, of course, you're going to want to try and keep your hands together at all times, but that's probably something to focus on more as you practice. So there you go. That's how you want to do the basic 3 variations of Triquetra, or 2, I guess. But I hope that's helped, so thank you very much.